मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा।
Namaste, मैं दामिनी बिष्ट, Kathak dancer from Delhi. From last month, June, collaborating with EdGenius, being a part of EdGenius, we are trying our best to connect with you all through art, through dance, through Kathak art form, कि कैसे छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेकर हम आपके साथ जुड़ सकें, आर्ट को प्रमोट कर सकें, आर्ट को खूबसूरती से आप तक पहुंचा सकें और इस डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम में हम कैसे आप लोगों से और बेहतर तरीके से जुड़ सकें। EdGenius is doing a great work with each and every dance form, not only with Kathak but many other art forms to connect with you all. So a beautiful opportunity for me also कि मैं EdGenius के साथ जुड़कर अपना काम, अपनी आर्ट को प्रमोट कर पा रही हूँ, आप तक पहुँचा पा रही हूँ, आप लोगों से कनेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ। So thank you so much EdGenius, and hope to see you all in future workshops or classes and to connect through dance. Take care.
Hi everyone, this is Ankita Sharma. I am a professional calligraphy artist and a mentor as well. I'm so glad to be a part of EdGenius group and to have this opportunity to sit and speak to all of you out there. My message to each one of you watching this video right now is to take the plunge and do something that you have always wanted to do. Learn something new and do not wait for the right moment. Do not wait for things to go back to how they were before. Accept this as your new normal. For as long as we are here, we may as well learn a few more things and make ourselves comfortable here. So find a mentor for yourself, who might be living across the street, or somebody who is like 4,000 miles away from you. But whatever you want to learn, a mentor is waiting to have a student like yourself. So all the best to you, and keep learning new things and stay strong. We are all in this together.
Hello, I'm Ravi, a freelance photographer and a photography mentor, and I'm glad to be associated with EdGenius and really happy to be part of this great initiative to interact with you guys interested in the field of photography. We all are going through a tough and an uncertain time when we can't go out often, we can't meet people, and we can't do usual stuff. But surely we can do one interesting thing. We can learn something new that will help us in future when things are normal. Personally, I feel the best way to utilize this time constructively is by upskilling ourselves. And this is where EdGenius comes into picture, by providing a platform to connect with the experts of different creative fields. Come be a part of EdGenius and start your journey towards your creative dream.